Hello everyone, this is Adam from Furnspace 3D, and this is the first in a series of videos based on frequently asked questions for the program InteriCAD T5. The first video I'll be doing is how to print in T5. This can also be applied to InteriCAD T3, so I'll get started. Okay, so here's a completed structure, very simple. And now we want to print this. So the first step in the process is to right click on layout 1 to create a new layout, and this is going to be our print layout. Alright. Once you created this, we can't see anything yet, so we're going to go to our viewport config on the right here, left click on that, and then just select single viewport. Okay. Now that's great, we've got a single viewport there, and we just can't see our structure. So the reason for that is those layers are all frozen. So we're going to click on our layer manager. Okay. We're going to select all of the layers by pressing Ctrl A, clicking on the what's that thing called? It's called a snowflake, and clicking apply. Alright, there we go. We can see everything now. Okay, the next step in the process is to type PS for paper space into our command bar and press enter. We're going to zoom out a bit, and there's our whole viewport. Now let's say we want to print on an A4 page. Okay, I know that the dimensions of an A4 page are 297 by 210, and those are in millimeters. So I'm going to use my rectangle tool to create that paper size. So I'm using the the at command 297, 210, and enter. There we go. Next I'm going to select my viewport by left clicking on the border. I'm going to move my endpoints or my handles and snap them to the corners of those of that paper I've just created. Okay. Just going to zoom in here. And now I type in MS for model space and enter, and this allows me to go back into my my drawing there. So let's just get rid of that. Now the last step here is to set your paper size or zoom scale. So you type in Z for zoom. Okay, and let's say I want to print this at 1 to 100. I'll type in 1/100, then XP. That's 1/10 XP, and enter, and there I have a 1 to 100 scale. Okay, now let's say that's it's a bit too small. I want to do 1 to 50. Very simple. Type in Z, enter, 1/50 XP, and enter, and there we go. We have a 1 to 50 scale of that structure. Now it's time to print. We can go to File, click on Plot. Okay. From here we are going to choose our printer. So I'm going to print to PDF. I'm using Primo PDF here. I'm going to choose my paper size, which is A4. There we go. Under Plot Area, I'm going to choose Window. I'm going to drag a window around the window that I created earlier. There we go. I'm going to make sure that my paper size is landscape, and under plot scale I don't need to set the scale here anymore because I've already adjusted that, and I can just click fit to paper and center on plot, and that's basically all you need to do. We can go and preview that now, and there we go. There's my 1 to 50 print.